Land Rover. It was flooded transfer case control module. I have fixed it, cleaned. I found one wire, how to say, rod was burnt out, or not burnt out, rusted, and it was not communication. So I put cable, soldered it, and now it was blinking mountain like this, low. So now I go inside, and here was trouble code that is this clutch position sensor problem. So now I go to transfer case, I go motor relay replacement, ignition on, engine off, ignition on second, and after follow what he say. Complete, activate range sensor, okay, complete, okay, calibrate catch, okay, complete, complete. Set ignition to off, start engine, I select low range, came on screen. Now select high range, display disappear, okay, select park, okay, turn ignition off, turn engine off, and on second position of ignition, complete, ignition off, ignition on, yes, ignition off, finished. Okay, let's check how it looks. Before was always blinking long range. Voila. And here was blinking, nothing blinks. Let's go check fault codes. Transfer case, intermittent. Okay, nice. It was not this fault, it was another fault, but now it's this. Try to clear everything. Yes, like this was never before. Is one egger, but it doesn't matter. Okay, stop engine, start engine. Nice. Go and check again. Full. Instrument cluster is something with this I also don't know, but no more fault with transfer case. So it's a good sign. If I want to change, I must in neutral after. Yes, it's go to change. Very good. So, Land Rover Discovery 3 transfer case repair. See you next time.